What's up guys, I'm Kitara
and Ilara.
Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, smash that subscribe button, hit the notifications and give us a big thumbs up. Today we'll be talking about fidgets, basically EDCs. You know what are EDCs?
Everyday carry.
So without any delaying, let's open this box. Okay.
Oh my. Yeah. Oh, this is heavy.
It is heavy, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Something in here? Okay. Okay. So. Take on. I don't know.
Oh, this.
Okay. So these are the boxes. Same boxes. Every side is all the sides, and this is the back. Here.
Oh, guys, and there's also these things.
And these things that I don't know what are they. I think they're like polishers for the fidgets.
So guys, we have this right now, and let's unbox it.
No, wait, we gotta show it. This and that. Yeah, you know. Okay, so let's unbox it.
Oh. Okay, okay, no. Getting in. Ouch.
Already got it. Packaging.
Oh, packaging. Yeah, we just did that.
Okay, now time to pull it down. How do you like this?
Just do this. Oh my god, it.
Cool. Okay. Okay. This is the box. It's all black.
This is hard.
She's still struggling. Let me help. Oh no. You hold back. Okay, I'll help you.
Oh no,
I don't know. Don't break it.
This is funny.
Told you.
Oh my
Okay.
goodness.
Okay. Rubbish in there. Okay. We'll put these aside. Okay, now time to open the boxes.
Why is this so hard?
Okay. We got this, and we got this coin over here, this Lautie coin, and it comes along with I think this is a manual.
It's not a manual, guys. It's actually stickers.
So we'll just put them back in here. And
This coin is heavy, guys.
okay, we'll put the box aside.
Okay.
And let's take a look at the coin. Oh, I think it's bronze.
Guys, are you looking what I'm looking? This is very shiny.
Yeah, of course it's shiny.
And of course, it's expensive.
Oh, by the way, guys, we have 2 coins, and they're stainless steel. So let me just show you what they look like.
They actually don't just look like this. They actually just do this, and you can do this.
It
It's
turns
just
around.
used out. It's like a fidget, and it's just used out.
Stress relieves you.
Yeah, and it's pretty loud.
Okay, guys, this is just a quick unboxing of our new fidget toys. Stay tuned while we prepare for our next adventure.
Cool.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notifications, and give us a big thumbs up. See you. Bye.